Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to edit text on your Shopify website, Redesign store. If you're running a Shopify store, you know that keeping your website's content fresh and engaging is crucial. Whether you're announcing a new product, updating seasonal offers, or just tweaking your brand's message, knowing how to edit text on your Shopify site is a must. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it easy and stress-free. Alright, let's dive into the process of editing text on your Shopify website. The first thing you need to do is head over to Shopify's website. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in Shopify's web address or by searching for Shopify using your preferred search engine. Once you're on Shopify's homepage, this is your gateway to begin the editing journey. Now, the next step is logging into your Shopify account. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward. On the Shopify login page, you'll notice a Google icon. This little button is a lifesaver for those of us who might struggle to remember our passwords. By clicking on it, you'll be able to log in using your Google account. It's as easy as pie. If you're already signed into Google, you'll see a list of your accounts. Simply click on the one you want to use for Shopify. Think of it as choosing a character in a video game, only this time, you're about to embark on the adventure of editing text on your website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify admin dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the command center for your online store. From here, you want to navigate over to the online store option, which is typically found on the left sidebar. This section is where the magic happens, allowing you to customize various aspects of your store, including its overall appearance. After you've clicked on Online Store, the following step is to select Customize. This is where you can really start to express your creativity. The Customize button will lead you to a page where you can edit and personalize your Shopify theme to your liking. This is the moment where your website starts to truly reflect your brand and vision. Now, let's get to the main part: editing the text on your website. To start, you'll need to click on the section of text you want to modify. Shopify's theme editor is designed to be quite intuitive. When you hover over different parts of your page, they will become highlighted. This is Shopify's way of inviting you to make changes. So, go ahead and click on the text you wish to edit. Once you've selected the text, the right pane will become active with a variety of options. This is where you can unleash your inner wordsmith. You have the ability to change the text itself, adjust the font size, tweak the colors, and much more. Take your time to craft a message that truly represents your brand. Remember, the text on your website speaks volumes about who you are as a brand, so make it count. Finally, after you've perfected your message and made all necessary updates, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the top right or bottom right of the page. This final step is what ensures your hard work goes live on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully edited text on your Shopify website. With these straightforward steps, you can update your site whenever you need, keeping your content fresh and engaging for your visitors. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to edit text on your Shopify website, Redesign store. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.